Hi and welcome to our channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to replace a air engine filter on a 2018 Nissan Rogue. I bought this on Amazon right here for the replacement, and this is what it looks like. So here's the air intake right here for the engine. It has two tabs here. You need to lift this up, and this side do the same thing. And then for the filter, you need to remove unhook this right there, and one over here right here. So right now I'm gonna remove this first. And then you lift this up. Slide it up like this. There you go. And that's the old air filter right there. So the next step is to unlatch this tab right here. There you go, one side, and it has another side over here, right here. There. Then you just remove this. This has been a couple years already. I haven't replaced this. I forgot. So the new one looks like this. And to put this back in, you see this tab right here? It's supposed to be on top, like this. Slide it in. Is this way with the tap out like this. Like that. So this tap's supposed to be facing out. Just place this back, push this back. So the clip is on, you could hear the click, and this one is on too, tight. Now you put this back on. This is the groove right here. You slide that on here. Just like that.